In this video I'll be showing you other few options, because last time we have learned about insert image, page break, font work and drop cap. So today's video you will be learning about find replace. First, find replace is something property that is very useful, that we can here find a word and we can replace with some other word. Okay, so like device, this word I'll be just working with, because devices is the word is used for 2 times. It will be easy for me to show something. So if I need not to select anything, I'll just go to find replace. Find helps me to particularly highlight a word, how many times it is there in my screen. So I will be whole word only will be selecting and will be writing here devices. So here it is, you have to type all in the exactly the word that is there, and I want to replace it with capital D, because my one is that I have written in the document is, you can see these are in small letters, devices small letter, but I want it now to convert into capital letters. So find all means all this word will be find out. I want to replace all means where it is the small letter devices will be converted into capital letter. Okay, so replace all. Replace will help me to one by one will be replaced, then option, then I have to click for the second one, replace to do word like this, but I want at a time all will be devices what will be replaced. So replace all. Let's close this one and check. See, it has become capital D. So this is called replace, find and replace. You get the option under edit menu. Find helps you to find a word. Next one is undo redo. Suppose that previously the work I have done and by mistake I did it and I want to remove that. So what to do? You will be coming here, okay, and click on undo. See, devices again changed. But after cancelling the previous work, if you want to get it back, first time you are confused that yes, what I have done that was wrong. Now you are again, you want it like that only, then you can do it. Redo helps me to get back the cancelled work like this. Okay, done. Again it has become capital letter. Undo redo. Zoom helps me to expand the size of the page on the screen or condense it. Let's see how it works. Come to view, come to zoom and make it 200%. By default it is 100%, and you can see it has covered the whole screen. I have not changed anything, but the view in the page on your screen has changed. Once more, come to zoom, make it 100%. Okay, like this it works. So next one is full screen. Sometimes we want to see the whole thing in a page, how it looks, so no menu bar will be there, then we can do it like this. Again click on it to get it in a usual with the menu bar. Next one is saving a file. Come here and save. Click on save if your file is already saved, but if you want to save it for the first time, come to save as, choose the location, then come here, remove the name and give a proper name for your file and do click on save. It's very easy to do the work. Okay, it is saved. Now next time if I close it, I can come to my files. Here is my file and I'll just go where I have saved. I know that I saved it on my desktop, so come here and double click on the file to open and continue working over here. So let it to start so that we can see that how to work over there like this. Okay, file is saved, so I have opened it. So this is saved. Save helps me to save edited work. Edited means last day's work that I have done. Like I can do type here, today we have learned, like this I have typed, and this one, because this is last day's file I opened, I have added this text, so I will do now only save, not save as. But first time when I create a file and I want to save it, that time I do like that. Okay, so that is all about save and save as.